Most people think SIFs are just another version of mutual funds, but they're not. The biggest difference lies in regulatory limits. Limits that decide how much risk a fund can take, how flexible it can be, and how it may impact SIF's performance across market conditions. Let's break down the differences that matter. Mutual funds are based on buy and hold strategy, whereas SIFs are not only buy and hold but also actively managed for enhanced returns and downside protection with help of derivatives. Due to active management, SIFs are expected to outperform mutual funds over a long term. Let's take a scenario where an equity SIF is providing CAGR of 3% more than an equivalent equity mutual fund. This chart shows how even a small difference of 3% in yearly returns can create a massive benefit over the long term. While mutual funds grow steadily, SIFs compound much faster because of their flexible strategies, resulting in significantly higher cumulative returns over time. Mutual funds can use derivatives only for hedging and simple rebalancing. They cannot take short positions to benefit when markets fall. SIFs operate under a different rule. They are allowed to take naked shorts up to 25% of the portfolio. This means SIFs can aim to make money in rising markets, falling markets, and even sideways markets. Mutual funds are tightly restricted. In the debt portion of the portfolio, they can put only 10% of the portfolio into one company, and they can invest 20% in a single debt sector. SIFs have wider limits. Debt exposure can go up to 20% in one company and 25% in a single sector. This gives SIFs more room to build high conviction positions. Mutual funds have very low limits on lower rated debt. SIFs are allowed almost double. AAA, 10% in mutual fund versus 20% in SIF. AA, 8% in mutual fund versus 16% in SIF-A and below. 6% in mutual fund versus 12% in SIF. Because of this, SIFs can use credit opportunities that MFs cannot touch. Mutual funds can invest only 10% in total and 5% per InvIT or REIT. SIFs can invest 20% in total and 10% per REIT or InvIT. This allows stronger infrastructure or real estate linked yield strategies inside SIFs. SIFs aren't just another category, they are a completely new way of managing risk and returns. If you want to understand which SIF strategy fits your profile, reach out to us on WhatsApp at 920-552-3100 or email us at sifinsights@gmail.com. We'll guide you personally.